naririnig ko yung boses mo na ganyan yung, ano mo, yung salita mo. Yung accent nila. Yusukan, you will get mad on her talaga. I love, ay! Grabe! May nag-I love you na dito, B. Music ko. Tuturuan mo ba ako? Kala mo. May wag naman tayo. Okay lang na siya yung, ano, pinagtitripan ko naman ako. Ano na, pinapatay ko daw siya. Nagkakasala pa ako. Di ba, bay? Music ka. Ayoko na. Mag-end na lang ako. Gusto lang namin makakita ng comment. Sabi niya kanina, wala ka kasi kanina, sabi niya, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. Dahil gusto mo mapunta sa Dubai? Dati. Anong pagkain yan, B? Why you're still alive? No daw. Kuya, paakyatin niyo kayo. Mag-PL kaya ako, akyat kaya to? Naunsa man ba? Bisaya pala. Your eyes kills me. Sakto lang. You said her smile kills you. Please cover them. Please cover them daw. Fried chicken. Natikman mo yan? I-cover ko daw kayo. No, her smile fear on me. Ay, nakatakot. Uy, yung sa ano yan, di ba? Yung sa radyo, yung sinasabi sa radyo. Hindi pa. Ay, sorry na ako, napuyat ka. Sorry. Tapos pala, Pilipino lang din to, no? Niloloko lang tayo. Sinatry. If you purpose me, I will think about you. Ay! All purpose. Baker ka ba? Hoy! Hala, yun na sila. Parang pinagtitripan na lang tayo eh. Follow me. You are not follow me. Iba po yung napunit, hindi pala pang... Uy, Jackie! Mag-unos didi ka dyan. Kakanta na nga lang ako. Ay, sorry. I will follow you, sister. Ay, may nag-a-up. Pa-upin natin. Hi. Sorry, nadala lang. If you follow me, then you will get 1 million of sending from your sender. Ano daw? I need the camel. All we want is the camel. Not me because I am poor. Ay, grabe siya. Ginats mo naman ako, babe. Bakalit tayo. We are also 4. I have 5. Meron siyang 4, ikaw meron kang 5. Ano daw, nailaw sa sinabi niya. Kanya-kanyang version yan, babe, kung paano mo na-gets ko yan. Na-gets niya 4 and 5, eh. Where is our children? Ay, may anak na agad kami. Nakakahilo yung greyhounds. Aray ko. Bakit na ng ano ko? Diyan ko. Sabi ko sa inyo, baker yan eh. Kanina, flour yung meron siya. May all-purpose siya. Children in our future. Antay na. Your English is very clear. Aray. Say our children, your papa is coming and with them. Jenny, Jenny, yes, papa. Oh, di ba? Yes, papa sinabi. Oh, that one. One of your children is Barney. Yeah, Barney. Because I am not Englishman. Ay. We're not English too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, dude. Baka siya yung sumakit ng ulo sa atin, babe. But I'm Superman. You're not Englishman. I will sing a song, so your ears will be my son never fight with your mom. Kuya, tinuring ka na niya na anak. May son na tawag niya sa'yo. We are guitar man. Diyan may sarili kang vocabulary, no? Visit. Your mom is superwoman. Ay. Bala na kayo dyan. Kaya na. Baka masinghot ko na lang kayo. I'm not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous. I couldn't stay in that very moment. I found the one. My life was found in missing thing. So as long as I live alone, you will have and hold you. You look so beautiful. Hindi ka na niya naintindihan. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ayan, tapos kakantahan mo kami. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring, I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live alone, you will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, This day I cherish. You look so beautiful in white. Ba ako dyan kasi my parents are strict. Kaya pala naka-white. Tapos tonight, and if her daughter's what her future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. But when she falls in love with her soul, I'll walk her down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. Kuya Barney, naging nanay mo pa nga ako. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last day, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. My voice is very beautiful daw. Hindi naman natin naririnig boses niya. My son, you are genius. Wala nga eh. Nanahimik na nga si si Yubi. Baka feeling ko na na din siya. Sino nga yun? Yung pinsan ni Idap. Ayan na si John Lloyd Togo ako. She have wires in her teeth. Grabe ba? Her teeth is worthless. Ano daw? You know everything. What things use your mom? Yes, because you're not here. Iniwan pala, no? Inabando na pala. What do you think of us thinking of you? Parang mga next na sasabihin niya, mga lyrics na lang ng kante. I will connect with my wire. Ay! Maris ka naman pala, kuya. Ikaw naman. Aray ko. Naubo na. Kakatawa. Sino nga kasi yun? Yung kapatid ni, yung pinsan ni Daph. Naubusan ng si dun eh. Magbibigti pala gamit wire, no? Oo, si Kambal, si Bal. Ay, baka siya yan. Kakambal niya. Go lang! Diyan ka yan. Diyan ka ba? Nawala na si Jackie. Nalobat na daw. Di pa ba live ako? Ano daw? Ano yun, John Lloyd? Magla-live ka, John Lloyd. PPK tayo. Pag mga sinasabi mo, di pa ba tapos live mo? John Lloyd, kausapin mo daw si si Bai. Hanggang 1 lang ako, guys, Mamaya ako na lang tutuloy mamayang umaga. I mean, bahala na. Ano daw, my son, my love never feel anything about your papa. What is your favorite color? Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Mer 14 minutes, guys. Ano daw? Follow me, ah. Ay, tina-thumbs-upan na ako ni John Lloyd. Next time, meet with in Dubai. But I need the camel. I will ride the camel. Going to Dubai. So, please send us camel. Down the road. Kanta ata yan. Guys, hanggang 1 lang po ako, ah. Okay, my son. Ay, wait lang. Request mo pala yung ano, yung kay Barney, no? Barney and Friends. Worship song yung last song natin mamaya. Yun na kasi nilalast song ko lang. Hillsong. Barney. Yun ba yung I love you, you love me, we are happy family. Bye! Thank you. I will cry. Ay, umiiyak na daw siya.
Always fun to remember special times, and the happiest memories of all are the ones we share with the friends we love. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Say you love me too.
My heart never go. Ay,
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be.
with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Namiss ko tuloy ito.
You say you love me too.
You know my best friend, Jolly Barge. Ay, tapos na. Yan lang yun. Yun lang pala. 12 minutes, guys. Magla-last 3 song ako. Kuya Barney, thank you so much. UV, John Lloyd, Dada. Tapos si Jackie kanina. Mamaya ulit. Nalobat daw siya. na ako. Wait lang ah. May inaan lang. Bakit hindi sakto yung